Welcome to Misoo English Coloring. Today, you will learn 10 ocean animals in English. Listen carefully. Repeat after me.
Sea snake, sea snake.
Is that a snake in the sea?
Yes, a sea snake.
Sea snake, sea snake. Sea spider, sea spider.
Is that a spider in water?
Sea spider. Not scary.
Sea spider, sea spider. Comb jelly, comb jelly.
What shines like rainbow? Comb jelly, glow glow.
Comb jelly, comb jelly. Moon jelly, moon jelly.
What looks like the moon?
Moon jelly, soft glow.
Moon jelly, moon jelly. Archer fish, archer fish.
Who shoots water?
Archer fish. Pew pew.
Archer fish, archer fish. Napoleon fish, Napoleon fish.
Who's the boss fish?
Napoleon fish.
Napoleon fish, Napoleon fish. Tuna, tuna.
Who swims fast in groups? Tuna fish. Zoom!
Tuna, tuna. Sardine, sardine.
Who swims in big schools?
Sardines. So many.
Sardine, sardine. Flatfish, flatfish.
Who hides on the sand?
Flat fish, flat and quiet.
Flatfish, flatfish. Sea hare, sea hare.
Who looks like a bunny?
Sea hare. Funny.
Sea hare, sea hare.
Let's review the words.
Sea snake, sea snake. Sea spider, sea spider. Comb jelly, comb jelly. Moon jelly, moon jelly. Archer fish, archer fish. Napoleon fish, Napoleon fish. Tuna, tuna. Sardine, sardine. Flatfish, flatfish. Sea hare, sea hare.
You have learned 10 ocean animals in English. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Watch our next videos to learn more vocabulary. Thank you for watching.